Have you ever looked at your outdoor space and felt like something is missing? Do you dream of turning your simple backyard into a modern, relaxing retreat? What if a few smart paver patio ideas could completely transform your lifestyle? Imagine hosting guests, enjoying tea, or relaxing under the sky in style. But the real question is, are you using your outdoor space to its full potential? Or is it just sitting there, unused and uninspired? Let's explore how modern paver patio designs can change everything. What makes a paver patio perfect for modern living? A paver patio is not just about flooring, it's about creating a vibe. Modern living means comfort, style, and functionality combined. Pavers come in endless designs, colors, and textures. They give your outdoor space a clean and structured look. Unlike plain concrete, they feel premium and customizable. You can match them with your home's theme easily. This makes them ideal for modern outdoor transformations. If you enjoy discovering smart ideas that upgrade your lifestyle, don't forget to like and share to spread inspiration. How can you choose the right paver design? Choosing the right design depends on your personal style. Do you prefer minimal, geometric patterns or natural stone looks? Modern patios often use neutral tones like gray, beige, or charcoal. Large format pavers create a sleek, spacious feel, while smaller patterns add detail and texture. Think about the mood you want to create, because design is what defines your space. Share your thoughts below. What kind of style do you love for outdoor spaces? Can small spaces still look luxurious? Yes, even small patios can look stunning with the right approach. Use light-colored pavers to make the area feel bigger. Keep furniture minimal and functional. Add vertical elements, like plants or wall decor. Use clean lines for a modern touch. Avoid clutter to maintain openness. Smart design can turn small into spectacular. Subscribe for more ideas that help you transform spaces, big or small. What are the best color combinations for modern patios? Colors play a huge role in modern aesthetics. Neutral palettes create a calm and elegant look. Black and gray combinations feel bold and stylish. Beige and white give a soft, relaxing vibe. You can also mix tones for contrast. Just keep it balanced and not too busy. Modern design is all about simplicity with impact. If you love clean and modern design ideas, like and share this for more inspiration. How can lighting enhance your paver patio? Lighting can completely change your outdoor atmosphere. Soft lights create a cozy and welcoming feel. LED strips along pavers look modern and elegant. Solar lights are eco-friendly and practical. String lights add warmth and charm. Proper lighting makes your patio usable at night. It turns your space into a relaxing escape. Tell me, do you prefer bright lighting or soft ambient glow for outdoor spaces? What furniture works best with paver patios? Furniture should match your patio's style and purpose. Modern patios look great with sleek, simple furniture. Use weather-resistant materials for durability. Neutral tones keep the look consistent. Comfort is just as important as design. Multifunctional furniture saves space. The right setup makes your patio truly livable. Subscribe to discover more smart ways to style your home effortlessly. How do you maintain a paver patio easily? Maintenance is easier than you think. Regular sweeping keeps it clean. Occasional washing removes dirt buildup. Sealing pavers protects them from stains. Weeds can be controlled with proper filling. Fixing individual pavers is simple if needed. This makes them a long-term, practical choice. Like and share if you enjoy easy and practical home improvement ideas. Can you add greenery to enhance the look? Absolutely. Plants bring life to your patio. Use planters to add color and freshness. Small trees create a natural shade. Vertical gardens save space and look modern. Greenery balances the hard texture of pavers. It makes the space feel more relaxing. Nature always enhances design. What's your favorite plant for outdoor spaces? Share your ideas below. What budget-friendly ideas can you try? You don't need a huge budget to upgrade your patio. Start with simple, paver layouts. Use DIY techniques where possible. Mix affordable materials smartly. Reuse existing furniture creatively. Focus on small details that make impact. Even simple changes can feel luxurious. Subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas that look premium. How can you make your patio truly unique? Your patio should reflect your personality. Add elements that tell your story. Use decor that feels personal and meaningful. Experiment with textures and layouts. Combine comfort with creativity. Make it a place you love spending time in, because uniqueness is what makes it special. If you believe in creating spaces that feel like you, like and share this idea, how can you turn your paver patio into a year-round space? Your patio shouldn't be limited to just one season. Add shade structures for hot summer days. Use outdoor heaters or fire pits for winter comfort. Weatherproof furniture keeps things durable all year. Layer with rugs and cushions for extra coziness. Simple adjustments can make it usable anytime. A year-round patio means more value and enjoyment. Tell me, would you use your patio more if it was comfortable in every season? So what was missing in your outdoor space? It wasn't space, money, or effort. It was the right vision. Paver patios are more than just design. They're a lifestyle upgrade. They turn ordinary backyards into modern living areas. They bring comfort, beauty, and functionality together. Now you know how simple ideas can create a big impact. The real question is, when will you start transforming your space?